I bought this stove for $144 while all the rest of them cost almost $300. This is a tent stove, and online it says it's by TITIMO. Oh, look at this bulky boy. Yeah, so let's just dive into this thing. It's not compact, it's not light, it's stainless steel. Yeah, let's put it together, cool. Most of these stoves come with like a wrapped up pipe that's sort of just a wrap of material that you have to kind of create the pipe yourself. This does not come like that. This comes with all of the different pipes inside of it. Here's the handles. There. All the hardware. Here's the dampener. I actually don't know what that part's called, I forget, but it's that. Here are, I don't know, fireproof gloves. I'm not really sure what they are. Don't know what that is. Screws. Here's the glass that will go on the outer door. So that's kind of a nice feature. It comes with some glass to go in the door, which we'll put on. And then here is the pipes. The pipes. The pipes are calling. Pipes. They are numbered, so that's good. How long those numbers will stay on there, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's all the screws put together. Let's go ahead and go outside, set the tent up, set this thing up, and let's just try and see how it burns. Get the stove in here. I don't have the pipe jack yet, so we're gonna have to test it without the pipe jack. It'd be cool if I could like put the lantern up here. There probably is a lantern and hook in here, I'm just not seeing it. All right, let's go. Let's put this in here and then put some wood in the stove. I also found a use for this bulky bag that we have to take with us. I'm gonna use it to collect firewood while I'm out. Let's light this puppy up now. I've never used one of these. It's a Fire Start by Duraflame, but I actually tested one out on my porch earlier and it worked extremely well. So these things light so instantly, it's kind of wild. Let's check the chimney, see if the smoke's going out. Oh yeah, baby. Check that out. Not gonna die from smoke inhalation this time. So the fire is pretty well and going. That Duraflame worked like a charm. Right now it's kicking off some heat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure the tent and kind of check back with you guys after this thing's been going a little bit and tell you how much warmer it feels inside here. Okay, just checking in about 5 minutes after I closed up the tent, and it's already feeling, honestly, it feels pretty nice in here already. And this thing's only been going for about 7 minutes now. Absolutely no smoke so far inside the tent, none, zero. Do you feel how warm that is?
Yeah, it's warm.
Can I make you a cup of tea on there?
Sure.
Okay. There is a rocket. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh gosh. Okay, before everybody gets really mad at me, I know, you cannot use cardboard as a stove jack. I have a real stove jack now, and anyway, back to the review. Okay, water's boiling. Here we go, Laura. This is for you.
Hey.
For you.
Thank you.
Oh, this smells so good. Do you smell that?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Lemon vanilla cake.
Yeah, it does. All right, come back to me. So the fire has pretty much died down. We had a little bit of incident. I was using a cardboard box as a stove jack because my stove jack doesn't come until tomorrow, and it started to catch on fire. But the inside of this tent stayed above 50 degrees. It's about 28 outside, so it raised the internal temperature about 20 degrees. And as long as you keep the fire going, I mean, you'll be sitting really comfortable in your under layers. So I give the stove heating a 8 out of 10. Really just a 10 out of 10. Like, there's no way it could really be better. The portability, I give it about a 3 out of 10. The build, yeah, I mean, I'd give it like a 6 out of 10. So really good. The tent, I love it. It's awesome. I haven't tried the insert yet, but it's a $35 tent that you can use a stove in. So win. Yeah, I love the combo. I'm excited to try it out in the field, which we will do tomorrow or the next day. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want me to review any other gear, just let me know in the comments. There'll be links in the description for these items. Laura, how's your tea?
It's amazing.
Great.